Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today's video I'm just showing you guys how I do my box braid takes down. So basically I'm just using the scissors and I'm going over cutting everything. I've had the box braid in my hair for about a month now, a month and a half. So it was time for me to take it out and give myself a nice good wash. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and then I will see you guys in the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and thumbs up. finally done, and this is the result. Everything is all done. I did get few shedding, but obviously that's gonna happen because my hair was in braid for like a month, so I just have to go over washing my hair and deep conditioning and all that stuff. So